was first, aren't you? Good girl.
Hello, Apollo.
Good girl.
Hello, man.
Go on back. Back you go. Good. Hello. Good. Head in now. Head in, fella. Put your head out the way, Apollo. Can't get your head in there as well, no. Good.
Apollo. Hey.
Go on back now. Go back. Go back.
Apollo.
Bella out now. Come on.
Go back.
Go back.
Go back.
Good.
Apollo, go back.
I know you'll come without head collar, but we just can't risk it. Nope.
Hello, big man. Hello, Farouk. Hello, Farouki. Hey. Hello, good boy. Hello, good boy. Hey. Hello, you. That's the lawn, Farouk. Yes. But you don't mind that, no. A bit of lawn is nice, eh? Yes. Hello. Hello, Apollo. Good man. Farouk has been nicking some lawn as well.
Ooh. Ooh. Go back. Good boy. Back you go. Good. Wait there. Hold on. Wait there. Good boy. Good. Heady.
Good boy.
Good boy. Come on. If you've enjoyed the video, don't forget to comment or leave an emoji and a thumbs up. Thank you. If you would like to catch up on some of our earlier videos, just click on the Apollo icon, which will take you to our home page. We have over 1,000 videos to choose from. You can also sort by the most popular, the oldest or the newest. Thanks for watching. TTFN.